Google Pixel 6 Pro. So yeah, this is the trending mobile right now, and this mobile is going to release soonly in India. This mobile comes with a first of all a 6.62 inches of full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Yes, this Pixel 6 Pro mobile comes with a Tensor, which is a 5nm based octa-core 5G processor. Yeah, it's a Google's own processor. This Tensor processor is coupled with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage capacity to give the beast performance. And when we talk about the availability, this mobile will be available in two variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM 128 and 12GB RAM 256GB variants. And when we talk about the cameras, yes, Google Pixel series is made for cameras. In this with this Google Pixel 6 Pro, the Google has taken the camera features to this level in the Google Pixel mobiles. This Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera, 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. Yes, that 50 megapixels camera comes with a OIS, optical image stabilization, and for the front it comes with a 12 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, this is also a most improved thing in this mobile, that this mobile comes with 5000 milliamp hours of bigger battery, and it comes with a 45 watts of fast charging capacity through wire, and it also supports 20 watts of wireless charge, and it can also reverse wireless charge other mobiles up to 4.5 watts. So yeah, this is also a great thing. And this mobile is a complete metal and glass build. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with Android version 12. Yeah, this is the first mobile I think which comes with Android version 12, not a beta version, total complete improved version, stable version. And this mobile comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, and also this mobile comes with stereo speakers with no 3.5mm jack. So these are all about the mobile's features, and this mobile is going to release 5th October according to the rumors. So let's see if this mobile releases it at the 5th October or not. And this mobile price will start from 62,000 rupees, 62,999 rupees. It can go all the way up to 68 or 69,000 rupees. So wait until the mobile releases. And by the way, I have also made a video about the best mobiles you can buy right now using in the Amazon Great Indian Festival. I will leave a link to that in the description here in this card section and below in the description box. So you can directly watch that video by going to there. So subscribe to the channel.